Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to build this Ridge Runner Modified or Ford Pinto track car build. There's the body. You got the frame. There's part of, like, I guess you could call interior, but and then you got some, that's the firewall, got the hood, some body parts, I think 2 engine parts. Goodyear tires. We'll sand these down to make it look like they've been used. Got lovely directions, not important. Here's the decals. We'll use most of these. Here's motor parts. Then you got a seat. I'll go back, do the buckles. Roll cage parts. And then the rest of the interior, I guess is what you call it. You got the steering wheel. And then you got the rims. There's not a single chrome tree in this kit, not many parts, so this shouldn't take it long. Whenever I built the Vega, I built all that one day, so this may or may not be a one-day build. So see you with the update before being painted. Okay, here's everything before being spray painted. You got the body. This piece will be removed. Here's the motor up here for y'all guys to see, but will be put on a separate box. Be blue, this would be red, and we'll go back with white. Blue won't do it roughly how it is on the box. The hood be red. Here's the roll cage assembled. We'll spray paint that black. Then we'll go back with the mirror and the gauges, and then the steering wheel with the chrome Sharpie. And that will be put in a separate box to be spray painted aluminum. This is like body stuff. It'll be aluminum, firewall aluminum. These headers will be aluminum. The exhaust will be aluminum with a few engine parts. This will be aluminum or chrome for the rims. This will be black, frame black, and I guess like tie rod stuff right here. I'll go back and paint this aluminum. Then I'll go back and paint these aluminum too. And I might go back and paint the fan belt. This would be painted aluminum. And you got the shifter be painted aluminum. Then we'll go back, do some detail work. Same thing with the pedals, and then we'll do detail work with the fire extinguisher, and then put these in a box and spray paint these, because I thought they was part of the roll cage, which that is, but I'm not going to glue it on until it's ready to be put on. And that's like to hold up the hood. So that's what I think I did the same thing last time on the Vega. So see you when we come back with everything painted, and I want to show you real quick some paints I'll be using. Okay, here's some things I'll be using. A matte black, or basically a flat, for the frame. There's like a blue or gloss blue for the motor, gloss red for the body and hood, metallic or chrome for the like the interior stuff, I guess is what you call it, the headers and the manifolds or exhaust. My trusty pliers, razor blade knife, kind of Sharpie to go back to do some things, hobby knife, aluminum to paint some stuff, red for the fire extinguisher, and flat black to do some things like the pedals and other stuff. Okay, now see whenever we have the things painted. Okay, here's the body. There's that one part to the I guess interior is what you call it, for, because I don't know if race cars. There's a roll cage, there's the motor. When we come back, we'll probably show y'all something being built or some touch-up work or something. Okay, now I'm going to show you some detailed work with the fire extinguisher, and then I'll move on to the pedals and then the gear shifter. What the heck? Just paint it over to the marks I want. Okay. Probably just going to go back over the strip things. Put it black. I should let it dry for a little bit. I'm going to leave this silver how it is. Guess I'll be around. Sit there, give me a minute, and then I'm gonna clean my brush, and then we'll come back, and then we'll do the pedals and the gear shifter. Okay, now to do the pedals. Yeah, probably just do the front. Now do the little knob. No, looks like I slammed it accidentally. Got black on the other side, so might as well finish it off. Now to the bottom. We may have to get over another coat. I did a little too much, but now I'm going to show you things before I put everything on the motor. See ya. Okay, now I'm getting ready to assemble the motor. Here's the motor. Get the nice, lovely valve covers. You got an air cleaner, carburetor, Here's an exhaust. Here's the other one. Now, since it was already on tray, I went ahead and did battery. Did the seat. Here's the fan. And then the fan belt with, I think it's the alternator is what this is called on there. And then now I have to look back in directions of where these pieces go. Roll cage, I got it done. There's the mirror, there's the gauges. Best I can get them in the steering wheel. When I come back, I'll show you what the motor looks like, how some of the interior work is, and the body. I'm gonna do some painting on the body, and then also the frame. So, stay tuned. Okay, here's a build update. Here is the nice motor, 428 CID. I don't know what the CID means, but Ford engine motor. And then you got you could say the interior. It's all done, except I did put the fire extinguisher in, which I was going to show y'all. Yeah. It looks like y'all can't really get it, so that still gotta put these things on. That helps, I guess, keep the protects the motor, I guess. I gotta put this back on. This gets at the back of the roll cage. The roll cage will go here, and this go on there. I'll put the tires together and then I'll show you all. Just have to sand these down and make it look like they've been used. Everything's on the frame. And then you gotta put the dry shaft on. Once I put it in, then I'll take a chrome sharpie to it. Same thing with the gas tank. The body, I'm going to paint all this flat black, and then once that dries, I'll do some red and white on the side, and put the side things on the back bumper and then the front bumper, and then I'll show you all right before it's completely done, and then I'll show you the final product. So stay tuned. Okay guys, here's the build update, final build update. Got the interior or whatever floor thing, whatever it's called on. Roll cage in, motors on. Got the body painted. It's currently drying right now as I speak. And after I put it on, I'll put the bumpers on. Tires. These little sidebar thingies, I guess they're like for protection. Put the hood on. I may or may not glue it, because I did glue the rat trap. And put the decals on. I will use most of these. Some I'll save for a racer's wedge, because I'm going to get another racer's wedge to put this on. Then I may or may not show you what the car looks like fully built before decals, and then I'm definitely going to show you what it looks like complete. So stay tuned. Okay, here's what the car looks like before the decals. Looks very nice, and I'm not going to glue the hood on. Alright, see you when we have the decals on. Okay, here it is. It's finally completed. Number 76, probably 70s Ford Pinto, modified dirt track car, or Red Runner. There, I said not to glue the hood on, like I said before, so now you got a good view of the motor. And decals are drying as I'm talking, so please like, comment, and subscribe. So see you in the next build.